Wall Street's main indexes lost ground on Monday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell pushed back firmly against speculation that rate cuts were imminent. The Dow shed 0.7%, the S&P 500 dropped 0.3%, and the Nasdaq lost 0.2%. In an interview with CBS's 60 Minutes that aired on Sunday, Powell said more evidence of a sustained downward trend in inflation is needed to warrant lower rates. Sam Stovall, chief investment strategist at CFRA Research, said investors on Monday were, quote, reacting to reality.
I think the Fed's new mantra should be later and fewer, meaning that they're going to start cutting rates later than Wall Street is anticipating, not in March, not even possibly in May, but rather in June, as was implied in the 60 Minutes interview, because he said late in the second quarter is when they think they will start cutting rates.
In earnings news, shares of Caterpillar rose 2% after the bellwether beat estimates with a double-digit jump in operating profit. Shares of Estee Lauder soared 12% as the MAC lipstick maker aims to cut about 3 to 5% of its workforce to shore up margins. Tesla shares shed more than 3.5%, hitting a near one-year low after Piper Sandler slashed the stock's price target and on a report that German software company SAP will no longer source its company cars from the EV maker. And NVIDIA shares rose more than 4.5% to hit a record high after Goldman Sachs raised its price target on the chip maker.
From impeachments to inaugurations, if it's a political story, we are on the scene. The race for the White House is heating up.
We're beating Biden.
How dare he say that?
If it's breaking news, we're live with the latest coverage. From the White House, the State Department, and Capitol Hill, we know the issues, but above all, we know the players to bring you the latest in-depth analysis on all the key stories that we're covering. I'm Eric Ham. Join me from Washington here on Firstpost America.